Good morning! My first beach camp of the year and it is fantastic. It's Easter Saturday, so for breakfast I've got the traditional Bulgarian Easter bread and I'm gonna have it with some homemade banana jam. I'm gonna show you my recipe for that. Take one banana, smush it up, homemade banana jam. As far as I'm going for now, I think. Oh, that's cold. Quite enough. Maybe I'll get a swim on a really hot day. Hello. It's going to take a few trips to get out, but it's definitely worth it. This is my first view of the town of Nessebar, and I vainly didn't record any of my journey here because it was up a 450 metre hill and I was very red and sweaty. Well, I've arrived in Nessebar quite a bit later than I anticipated. It's gone 3 o'clock. That hill was a monster. And Nessebar is rather more touristed than I was expecting, but it's the 1st of May, which I think marks the first day of Bulgarian holiday season. At least I won't have trouble getting an ice cream here. This is Nessebar's cute little Ottoman church beneath ground level, as was required. It's a little bit frustrating because while the touts are all outside the tourist restaurants, none of the churches are actually open, so I'm having to enjoy them from the outside only, which is okay. Looking at the outside is free. Okay, no more complaining because I found these Easter things. Look at all these eggs. This is the only functioning church in Old Nessebar, all the others being museums these days, and it was getting a big clean and it was filled with flowers in readiness for the Easter Sunday services tomorrow. Sun's getting low, so reluctantly it's time to go figure out which beach I'm sleeping on tonight. Alright, this is me. It's a bit of a mission down again. I'll try not to think about the reverse for tomorrow morning, but look at the view. That's old Nessebar there, new Nessebar there. Hopefully I'm going to get another lovely ocean sunrise. Sea sunrise. People get upset when I say ocean. Alright, picnic dinner tonight because it's been so hot, there's no need to cook. I've got olives, stuffed vine leaves, pickled veggies and the remainder of my Bulgarian shira all set.